Hello, this is Brian, a technical writer at cPanel. Today, we will review how to use SFTP to transfer files to your cPanel account. So, what is SFTP? SFTP is an acronym for Secure File Transfer Protocol. It allows you to transfer files between your computer and the cPanel and WHM server with an encrypted connection. Why is encryption important? When you use SFTP, your login credentials are passed to the server with encryption rather than in plain text. When you don't use encryption, it's possible that your network traffic can be intercepted and misused. Your server administrator must enable shell access for your cPanel account for you to use SFTP. SFTP uses the server's SSH port to establish an encrypted connection to your cPanel account. In addition, you can only use SFTP with your cPanel account user. You cannot use an FTP account. Let's use this information to connect to my cPanel account with SFTP. For this demonstration, I am using FileZilla. FileZilla is a free open-source FTP application. In the host text box, I will enter ftp.example.com. In the username text box, I will enter my cPanel account username, example, and then enter my password. In the port text box, I will enter my server's SSH port, 22. Your server administrator may change the SSH port on your server for security purposes. Check with your hosting provider to ensure that you know the correct SSH port. With all of my information entered, I will click Quick Connect. Once connected, FileZilla will display my computer's files on the left and the server's files on the right. For this demonstration, I will transfer a file to the server. I would like to thank you for joining me today in this cPanel tutorial for SFTP. I've included links to our documentation and third-party applications in the description below. For more information about cPanel, the hosting platform of choice, go to cPanel.com or follow cPanel on Twitter.